Hi, I am Urvi from your video classes, and in this video I am going to tell you about transformation of an assertive sentence into an interrogative one. Before we start with transformation, we'll just have a quick recap of both the types of sentences. Assertive sentence is a declarative sentence which declares or asserts a statement, opinion, history, etc. And it always ends with a full stop. Example, if I give you, Rohit is a great batsman. It's declaring a thing that Rohit is a great batsman. It's an assertive sentence. When we talk of interrogative sentence, what is it? A sentence in which some information or confirmation is sought is called an interrogative sentence. A question mark must be placed at the end of the sentence. The sentence that I gave you earlier, for example, I am converting the same now, transforming the same, and it will be, isn't Rohit a great batsman? We made a few changes, right? And that is what the video is all about. Before we learn how to transform, one thing we have to keep in mind, and that is the meaning of the sentence should not change. The first step of transformation says that if your assertive sentence is affirmative, then your interrogative should be negative. And if your assertive is negative, your interrogative should be affirmative. Secondly, begin the sentence with the helping verb. Third is, if the sentence does not have a helping verb, begin the sentence with do, does or did based on the verb used in the sentence. And the fourth, most important, replace full stop with a question mark. Otherwise, even if you have transformed it correctly, you will not get marks. For structure of the interrogative sentence, you can refer to my video related to interrogative sentences. So now, without wasting time, let me solve few sentences for you all. Our first sentence is, Rohit is a great batsman. I have already solved this sentence for you, but here we will be doing it stepwise. We have the helping verb is here. The sentence is an affirmative one. So our interrogative will be a negative one beginning with the helping verb. So is will change to isn't. Then the subject Rohit, and then the predicate a great batsman. And our sentence comes out as, isn't Rohit a great batsman? Or we can write as, is Rohit not a great batsman? What have we done here? I have not taken the contraction, but I am writing not. So when we are writing not, it is to be written only after the subject. Next example is, you shouldn't use plastic bags. Shouldn't is the helping verb and the sentence is a negative one. So our interrogative sentence will be, should you use plastic bags? Should verb, then subject, and then the predicate part from the assertive one. The next sentence is, there is nothing better than honesty. We can see the helping verb here is. The sentence looks like affirmative, but it is not affirmative because word nothing is given here. So it is a negative sentence. So our interrogative will be, is there anything better than honesty? We use the opposite of nothing here. We used anything to get interrogative sentence here. The next sentence is, Sahil solved the crossword quickly. Big problem. There is no helping verb here. But we know that we have to use do, does or did. That depends on the verb. And the verb here is solved It is a simple past tense. So we will have to use did. And then the word solved will change into solve. And our interrogative sentence will be, didn't Sahil solve the crossword quickly? Affirmation becomes negation, and solved, simple past tense, is broken into did and solve. Next is, they play football every day. Here, the verb is play, which is a simple present tense. So, our sentence should have do. So, don't they play football every day? This is how the sentence gets changed. But sometimes we have the assertive sentences beginning with someone, somebody, everybody, everyone, no one, nobody, anybody, anyone. In such sentences, the interrogative sentence should begin with who. As in the example, everyone has some needs. It is an affirmative, so we have to change it into negation also. And the sentence will be, who doesn't have any need? The verb has we have broken into does and have. We can't say who hasn't any needs. No. It goes as who doesn't have any needs. Next sentence is, nobody trusts a liar. This sentence, since nobody is used, it is a negative sentence. So, its interrogative will be an affirmative one, and it goes as, who trusts a liar? We will not take out do verb from the main verb because we are keeping it as assertive. By now, I'm sure you must be clear as to how are you going to transform an assertive sentence into an interrogative one. So why not take a small test? You can pause the video here, write down the questions and your answers, and then check with them as you can see them on your screen. And if you got all correct, congratulations. Do share my video with your friends if you have learned something from my video. And if you didn't get all correct, watch the video again and watch my other videos also. So, see you with some other topic in my next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye-bye and take care.